It was gray, mushy, and smelled like ammonia. And I took a little bite. I'm Tammy, and this is my husband Scott. We are two artists who traded in our home and art studio for a home studio on wheels. Along with Gracie and Jasper, we've hit the road full-time in search of new landscapes and inspiration, and we'd love to have you join us on our adventures. Ready to go for a hike, Gracie? Ready to go for a hike? Okay, let's go.
There is nothing stopping me. No physical presence that I can't see. Oh, there's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way.
No. You're always climbing down some scary embankment.
No physical presence that I can't see. Oh, there's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way. There's nothing in my way.
A magical avatar forest.
Yeah.
See any 4-leaf clovers in there? Because you know what that means. Someone's gonna get lucky. You don't like my humor?
No, I'm trying to get these fucking over.
He gets very angry when his equipment's not working. His camera equipment. You know that's funny.
No physical presence that I can't see.
Mama can't carry you the whole way. She heard gunshots and it scared her. You're okay. Can you walk now? Can you walk now? You're safe. You look so small by the trees.
Pretty cool.
So the fish market lady gave us these instructions. Feeling slightly overwhelmed by these crabs. They look fat in this.
Huh.
That's kind of creepy. They're still froze a little, I think. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe we'll just steam them and see what happens. It's like fur. I'm sorry, little crab. The big one's yours, and the little one's mine. Into the pot you go. Do you think we steam them like that? Well, I guess any way they'll fit is how you have to. Okay, we need a bigger pot. We have to do them one at a time because our steamer's not big enough. I don't really have a good feeling about this crab saga. You come to the Oregon coast and you feel like you have to buy the do the crab thing, and then we do the crab thing and we're like, we should have just brought the crab meat but we're gonna give it a try. It will probably be the last time on this trip we do this until the babies are with us. We gotta do it when the babies are with us. All right. One crab in, one to go. We don't have crab crackers. We're gonna go to all this trouble and we don't even have a crab
This
cracker.
is a fork.
We're gonna have to buy more forks because it'll bend the forks. This is like a failure already. We don't have a big enough steam pot.
Pliers.
Pliers, that'll work. You're doing the breaking it apart bit.
Okay.
The guy on the video said the yellow stuff that comes out that looks like nasty is called the mustard. And it's disgusting. Put your apron on, babe. Crab shelling is a messy job. Oh, that's so, oh, it even has a little flower. Isn't that cute?
Nobody can see in, can they?
Did you watch the YouTube video?
No.
You gently twist the
The legs.
legs off. And then you take the apron off.
Why?
Not your apron.
This apron?
The crab's apron.
Look at the mustard in there.
Ew. Thanks for saving the big one for me. Remember Alien? That's what this looks like. Wait. I can't do that. Can you rip the part apart?
Yeah, you can.
I'm scared of it.
Take
I'm afraid of the
two
mustard.
fingers right here and pull it away from the shell.
Oh god, oh god. Ew, it smells gross. I don't think this one's normal. I can't do that. And I will be happy to dig out the meat, but I cannot pull any more things off of the thing. So our really big second crab, I knew it was bad. It was gray, mushy, and smelled like ammonia. It was gross. It wasn't good. Paid $34 for one crab is what ended up happening. So we're gonna put this on a salad and call it a day. Is it good?
It's good. Good.
You look like a salty sailor.